Hey, welcome to Tutorial Lore. This video explains the Fitness Buddy home gym workout app and whether it's worth using. Quick disclaimer. This is an explained review based on user feedback and online data, not personal use or a visual demo. Fitness Buddy home gym workout is a fitness app designed to provide guided workout routines you can do from home without needing a gym membership. The platform offers a large library of exercises with step-by-step instructions and visual demonstrations, covering strength training, HIIT, bodyweight workouts, stretching, and core sessions. Users can choose workout plans based on their goals, such as fat loss, muscle building, or general fitness, and filter routines by difficulty level, duration, and available equipment. If you found this video helpful so far, drop a like. Let's talk about how it performs in actual use. Many users appreciate the breadth of exercises and clear guidance that help ensure proper form, especially when training without access to a gym. The app's customizable plans allow users to tailor routines to their fitness level and available time, and progress tracking tools help monitor improvements over time. Additionally, workout reminders and in-app cues help maintain consistency and motivation. However, there are some drawbacks. Some users report that advanced features, such as personalized workout plans, detailed analytics, or premium exercise libraries, may require a subscription or in-app purchase. Others mention that while demonstrative images and instructions are helpful, video guidance is not always included for every exercise, which may make form guidance less intuitive for some users. Occasional interface lag and ads in the free version can also impact the overall experience. In summary, the Fitness Buddy home gym workout app may be worth using if you want a comprehensive library of guided workouts and a customizable home gym training tool. However, if you require highly personalized coaching or full video instruction for every exercise without subscriptions, you might find alternative apps more suitable. This is not a commercial or paid promotion, but an informational video. For inquiries, contact the email address stated in the description.